Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. We're going to be learning the very basics of decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is the next step once you hit your payout on unminable. Once we get our coins in the wallet, the options are super interesting for us. We can participate in decentralized finance, and this means sites that will allow us to exchange our coins. We can go to pancakeswap.finance, for example. Now we're going to use Metamask as the wallet to log in this site. We need to make sure that we are using the Binance Smart Chain network in Metamask because this site only works with the Binance Smart Chain network. In this example, we're going to try to exchange some USDT tokens into Silica tokens running on the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to go to Trade, Exchange. We're going to change our current coin to USDT. We're going to select max, and then we are going to select the coin from the list. In this example, we would get 145 silicas. One thing to note here is how cheap the transaction fee can be. Only 7 cents of a dollar. In a traditional trading service, this would be much higher. Another thing you can do in this platform is staking your coins and deposit them in one of the yield farming pools. This means locking up your coins to get an annual return. In this case, this particular pool would give us 45% annual return. This will help you maximizing the returns that you can get from your coins instead of having them sitting on the wallet. Other options might be Uniswap. In that case, we're going to change our network to the Ethereum network. Once we visit this site, we are already connected to our account, and then we can exchange Ethereum or ERC20 tokens for another token. Another option we are going to take a look is taking some of our coins and stake them. In this case, I'll do a demonstration with Tron TRX. As we can see here, this is my account. I have a balance of 114 USD. I have some unwithdrawn rewards, and I have 1 Tron available for staking. In order to stake, we will go to Governance, Votes, and then we need to obtain what is called the Tron voting power. We're going to click Obtain, we're going to select Max, and then this is a confirmation that we are going to freeze our token or our coin in the system. So we hit Stake, we need to confirm in our wallet, and from that we get 1 voting power. This vote I can then assign into any of the super representatives. I'm going to go for this one. So what we're looking for is the higher APR, a voting sharing ratio of 100%. This means sharing all the rewards with the voters. And then we want to find a super representative that is close to the first position in ranking, so the next voting round it can be selected as the super representative putting the blocks on the chain. We need to click voting to sign again our transaction, and now our votes are submitted and our coins are staked. This means we are going to receive some rewards every single day. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you so much for watching.